Hi everyone! In this video, we will use subtraction and addition properties of equality. Solve the equation a plus 173 equals negative 432. The thing we want to do for solving an equation is isolating the variable. That means making it all alone on one side of the equal sign. It's on the left side, so let's go ahead and just leave it on the left side. We need to look for all of the operations around the variable and do the opposite to negate them, and this will isolate the variable. We have an operation here of addition. The opposite of addition is subtraction, and since it's adding 173, the opposite will be subtracting 173. But we can't just go around subtracting something from one side of the equal sign. We have to do it on both sides so that it keeps the equal sign balanced. So we'll subtract 173 from the right side as well. Positive 173 minus 173 is 0, or we can just say that it cancels. This leaves us with the only thing on the left-hand side of the equal sign is the variable a. And that is exactly what we wanted to do, was isolate that a. On the right-hand side, we have two numbers and they're both negative. Because the signs are the same, this means that we add and keep that same sign. And since they're both negative, the sign will be negative. So let's go ahead and add these. 2 plus 3 is 5. 7 plus 3 is 10, carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 1 more is 6. And our answer is a equals negative 605. We can always check these questions just like this anytime we want to by substituting what we got for our answer into the original equation. Our original equation is a plus 173 equals negative 432. When we substitute, we always do this with a set of parentheses to clarify and keep all of the signs and operations very neat and tidy. So we'll put 605 inside the parentheses for a, add 173 equals negative 432. We can do this in our calculator or we can do it by hand. Either way, we will end up with negative 432, but let's go ahead and do it by hand for those of you who want to get some more practice in. Because the signs are different, this means that we will subtract. So 5 minus 3 is 2. We'll have to borrow here. 10 minus 7 is 3. 5 minus 1 is 4. And we take the sign of the larger. Since this one's larger, we'll keep the negative. And it does. Negative 432 does equal negative 432. So it checks out. And this means that the answer we got over here is indeed correct. A does equal negative 605. And we're all done.